What is inside there?
I'm not responsible. People are just going to double their price because we're carrying camera. Welcome. Have you said it? What's that? Oh, it's not. Okay, hi and welcome. Oh my God! Look who's the vlogger. Oh, cool! Hi. Hi, my name is Mary Odere. You should know that. You don't know. How did you find my vlog? Okay, welcome. This is the first episode of our travel vlog. Yeah. I'm so excited. I'm trying to do this forever. And I'm doing it now. I know you're proud of me. I'm proud of myself. So we're going to talk Cross River. What have you heard about Cross River that's clean and green, right? You're going to be seeing it through my eyes. Make sure you do not miss any episode, because if you do, that'll be really sad. Like really sad, because you'll be missing a lot. I know you haven't gone to the 36 states in Nigeria and Abuja. I'm helping you. Come on, subscribe. Tell your friends to tell their friends. Tell your exes. Please just share to all your friends and make sure they subscribe, please. Thank you. Until when next I see you. Bye. Hi, welcome back. Good morning. So we're on our way to the first location. We're right now in Calabar, which is the south of Cross River. We're going to IKOM, which is central Cross River. It's about 2-3 hours away from Calabar. So come on. Well, I've just arrived. It was like 2 hours, 30 minutes from Calabar. IKOM is like central Cross River. I've been before. We're at somewhere called Border Road. Oh my God! And then the best place of transportation here is Okada. So we're going to enter Okada today. That's supposed to be exciting. And this road, Cross River has borders with Cameroon at different points. Bakassi, close to Calabar, and then here in IKOM. So we're just a few minutes away, drive away from the border. But we're going to bend again now. I'm taking you to the farm. So we're headed to a surprise. Can you guess? You know what IKOM is known for? Cocoa plantation. Yeah, so we're going there. And as you can see, cocoa. Almost every compound in IKOM. Almost every compound in Border here has cocoa. Like plants cocoa. Look at that. Look at that. So it's like their heritage. So we're going to a proper cocoa farm. But before that, I'm going to the most beautiful waterfall that there is in Cross River State. I can't wait for you to see it. We'll see you later. I'm tired. I can't even be excited again. My legs are swollen. I'm sure you can hear the sound. This is dry season, so usually it is heavier than this. This water is from Cameroon Mountains, so we're very close to the Cameroon border. So usually it is heavier than this, but right now because it's dry season, I can actually go down, and I'm going to go down. So, little backstory. Back in the day, I used to be a pageant girl. I know, I don't look like it again. So I came here in 2016. So there used to be a pageant called Koshiba Most Beautiful Girl, and I thought I was beautiful. Well, maybe not. My head is just beautiful. Oh, it was in my head. So we came here and had a photo shoot, a bikini shoot. I remember this place very well. Something stung me. I still have that mark on my leg. How are you? So, oh my God. If you come here when the sun is really hot, there are 6 or 7 outlets of this for this waterfall. I think there are like 6 or 7. So if you come here when the sun is really hot, you see the reflection of the sun on the water gives you the rainbow colors, like 7. There's 7 outlets, so 7 beautiful colors. Oh my God! I'm in Etim local government of Cross River State, in a village or a community called Agbokim, and I'm at Agbokim Waterfalls right now. This is my tour guide.
You're welcome.
He's the son of the soil, just as Jabi is, and Kokon's friend. So we're going to a beach, so to say. I think I think there's going to be a boat for us to go to. You're going to see cool pictures. Oh my goodness, places we've never been before. While we're coming here, I saw where they were making chewing sticks. Have you ever seen that in your life? I'm going to show you premium footage. I was telling you about Cross River. Cross River has 18 local governments. I'm sure you didn't know that. And this is one of it. And I wish I could go to all 18 local governments to show you, but I couldn't. I think I passed through 4 before I got to Etim local government from Calabar municipality. There's Calabar South just beside Calabar municipality. It's all just Calabar. But then there's Akankwa, there's Biase, there's Odukani, there's Yaka, and then there's Obubra, and now we have, then there's IKOM. We stopped at IKOM, remember? There's IKOM, and then there's Etum. So that's where we are right now. The 9th local government. Amazing. Okay. Do you remember Igodo, that scary movie? We're going to the Evil Forest. If you've ever looked for my trouble, if you have not subscribed, I will write your name down for you.
Tunnel where our first father during that war time, when Nigeria Biafra war, this is where they run and hide under here. As you can see, if you go down there, there's a big parlor down there. Also, there are two roads there. One leads to the smaller waterfall. That's where they pass, go to their farms, they eat food that they will eat under there. They also pass here. Boss at the bank of the river between Nigeria and Cameroon.
So this is sort of like a hollow, there's an open space.
Yes,
there.
down.
Wow. Are we going? Are we going?
You can stand there at Islam.
Maybe do you want to really go?
Just stand there at the mouth of that hole.
Let me activate my spirit and sense. Careful. My spirit and sense of adventure. Please hold my hand. Careful. Again, if you have not subscribed, I'm leaving your name inside there. So, please, Okay, boy, peace. Thank you.
Those are the, you see some empty plastic pockets.
Can I shine lights inside?
No.
I cannot shine lights. Are there things inside there?
No. Feel free. I'm here. I cover you people here.
But we can't see anything.
There's one. Just can keep again. My finger.
Sambo, can you?
Okay. No, I feel free there.
Oh,
Don't stand there. Wait.
No, not now.
No, come.
I'm not responsible. Remember where I told you about my patient day? I'm excited. Remember when I told you the morning that I'm excited to go there, but then again I'm anxious. Now I'm relaxed. This is nature at its best. I mean, you need to come to this place. Yeah? That's really you appreciate. What one? I had so much fun here. You need to visit Agbokim Waterfalls. I'm not even hiking. This is not hiking. I had fun. I had fun. This is natural spring. You know the one that is in primary school. No! I drank her here. I had a swim as well. The natural one. We're back up to the village. That was such an amazing experience. I'm exhausted from enjoyment. This is the one that I say enjoyment will kill me. Enjoyment won't kill me, so I'm tired. So this is the end of our tour for today. Tomorrow, because we had so much fun in here and we spent too much time, we can't make it to the cocoa plantation or the plantain plantation today. So that will be tomorrow. Once again, tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their enemies and all of that to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.